City News everywhere.
We know that immunity is not long-lasting from the vaccine or from infection, and that there's been a relative stability or lull. And so recently that not very many people have become infected.
As the beginning of the new school year is around the corner, there's a new COVID variant circulating around Manitoba. But is it something parents need to worry about? The province confirming to City News that they detected the EG.5 Omicron subvariant through routine surveillance. The samples in question were collected in mid-July. And while cases are beginning to pop up in Manitoba, the province says it's too early to determine if it's a dominant strain.
There is no evidence to suggest that it causes more severe disease. There is a question, is it more infectious every time a new subvariant comes around?
Dr. Earl Rubin, the Division Director of Pediatric Infectious Diseases at the Montreal Children's Hospital, says the subvariant shouldn't cause immediate concern.
To date, it does not seem to cause more severe disease. So the recommendation should be no different.
But some say COVID is top of mind for them.
As a teacher, I am concerned because this past year when we saw that mask mandates were left, that there was a lot more sickness, kids missing a lot of school, getting very far behind in class.
I just had some friends who came back from Europe and they've all tested positive. So it's still around. And I'm concerned about the kids going to school.
Every school division in the province, indeed across Canada and elsewhere, has made cleanliness in terms of making sure classrooms and school air quality systems are looked after, running well, and that will be a priority.
The province says they are in contact with physicians and healthcare providers when it comes to the fall flu and COVID-19 immunization program, but say there is no change to public health guidelines.
It just kind of reiterates the importance for those who are vulnerable, high-risk individuals, elderly, those who have underlying illness that may not allow them to fight it off, that they get boosted.
In Winnipeg, Djan, City News.